Tale-Bot Pro, an interactive, hands-on coding robot set for children aged 3 to 5.
Where do we go next?
Empowered by the new interactive technology, the robot is able to identify specific maps.
Wow, the tadpoles grow 2 hind limbs.
Thus encouraging children to construct their understanding of knowledge through exploration and experience. Teachers, on the other hand, can serve as observers and facilitators. Age-appropriate design. The colorful command buttons make it easy for children to make connections between abstract commands and concrete movements. In addition, the coding indicators will light up in the same color as the button, facilitating children to confirm when commands are entered. As the robot executes a command, the indicator will shine accordingly, providing children with visual tracking about the program being run. Just press the clear button to modify the program easily. Up to 256 commands to shape diverse and fun coding creations. Intelligent interaction technology. Tale-Bot Pro is equipped with interactive maps.
Take me to the entrance.
Which greatly helps teachers create a better learning environment for younger children. The design is expected to encourage children to express themselves.
Big lions. The ice cream is yummy. Program according to the story.
And create stories while playing.
The elephant's trunk is so long. Hi everyone! Let's go visit the zoo. Where do you want to go first? Take your pick. Now let's go see the lions.
The instant voice feedback will spark children's interest, boost focus, and make it easier to debug.
Oops!
In this easy coding experience, children are encouraged to try again and again. Once the task is completed, the robot will celebrate the success. There are 5 pieces of cross-curricular, double-sided, interactive maps. These maps enable teachers to easily integrate coding into different subjects and allow children to complete a variety of coding games in fun interactive scenarios. The blank map is provided as an open play area where teachers can guide children to place interactive stickers,
a monster! Hello, my princess!
daily objects, etc., and create coding scenarios independently. To meet the needs of different classrooms of different countries, Tale-Bot Pro can speak 7 languages. Teachers can also write down the words in local language using the call-out stickers.
Visita el zoo.
Children learn new words by listening and reading in an interactive and meaningful context.
Los conejitos son muy monos. Ahora vamos a ver a los leones. El helado estaba delicioso. Ahora quiero visitar la casa de los osos panda. ¡Un monstruo! Hola, mi princesa.
The fun recording function supports children in creating personalized stories.
I got a jam.
It also helps to foster children's creativity and storytelling skills.
I got a jam.
Repeat. With the repeat function, that makes the program loop.
I got a jam.
Children are able to develop abstract thinking for pattern
I
recognition.
got a jam.
Dancing. There are 6 sets of preset dance that make coding a more fun experience. Adjust step length. The default step length of Tale-Bot Pro is 10 centimeters. In order to fit a map with 15 centimeter grid, teachers can adjust the step length of the robot now. more looks and abilities. The parts on both sides of the Tale-Bot Pro are flexibly replaceable. Therefore, children can transform the robot into an airplane, a porter, and any object of their imagination. The cute paper crafts add even more possibilities to the shape. The robot is also compatible with Lego blocks and can draw a variety of interesting shapes. Our Tale-Bot Pro contains a robot and an activity box. Activity cards are also available to support the curriculum on all fronts. Matatalab, a premium hands-on coding solution for children aged 3 to 9.